What's going on, y'all? It's another episode restoring the Chevy. Basically I got these new hood hinges, or new to me hood hinges from Montgomery. They were a little bit rusted. I don't know if they're seeds or not, but I've had them sitting in this what's it called, vinegar, for about 3-4 days. You see all that rust just flowing around. Anytime you guys got any rusted parts or anything, it's always good just to knock them things in some vinegar and let the acidity kind of just eat it away. I'm gonna pull them out maybe today or tomorrow, scrub them down, put some Rust-Oleum on them, seal them up, make sure they don't rust any more than they already have, and throw them in the Chevy. I got some progress made with the Chevy, and I'm gonna cut off and show y'all what they got going on. Alright, so basically I was trying to go ahead and get it primed up. I'm not gonna get it primed up until I get this hood fixed, right? Because as you see, it's at the hood hinge. I'm gonna show y'all when I pop it open in another clip that the rivet that holds it in together, it popped off. But I got most of the wrap already off of here. I removed the whole front clip. It's detached right now, it's just hanging on the front end. Getting ready to get primed up and everything. So hopefully on this next episode, it'll be primed up and ready for y'all to critique, I guess.
One eternity later.
What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be restoring these hood hinges. I've had them sitting in this vinegar here for about 3-4 days, and as you can see, I pull them out. They've already got a lot of the rust off, so I'm about to cut up front. I got my little setup over there. About to use a brush and try to scrape some of this rust off. So I'll check with you in like 30 seconds. Alright, y'all, so here's the hood hinges. After I dipped them in that vinegar for about a week, a little bit under that, but you can see the rust just disintegrating, right? So what I did was I went and got me a detail brush. I'm gonna use the steel ones because you can see it's for rust, paint, and scale. Alright, yeah, so on this one, I couldn't get this one fully submerged. You can see the line right here, but I did try to spray some of it on the top, so hopefully I can get it with that brush. I got a Rust-Oleum primer because I do plan on probably either what's it called, paint matching with the car, or maybe an accent paint, but that's just for right now, because after you put that shit in the vinegar, it will rust so fast. So I want to go ahead and brush these down, spray them down, call it a day, and hopefully I can put them in the Chevy tomorrow. If not, you know, it is what it is. So as you see, all this rust is coming off. That vinegar really do magic if you got time for it. If not, you can always use like some type of PV blaster or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna check in with y'all after I complete them. So this is the first one right here. I kind of scraped it down and wiped it off. Scrape it down a little bit more before I throw this Rust-Oleum on it, but as you can see, it's pretty clean. Shout out to Walker Flocker. It's pretty clean. That's pretty clean. I'm about to go ahead and throw some Rust-Oleum on that after I scrub a little bit more, and see how this thing turns out. I'm checking with y'all again in a second. So we got one finished product right here. Just put a coat of that, well, it's not finished. I put one coat of that Rust-Oleum on it. I'm about to probably do another coat, just to be sure. This is one that's been just cleaned up and everything like that. So I'm gonna check in with y'all in a second.
3 weeks later.
Don't judge, it's mad cold outside. I'm working on this fucking box, but I got the hood hinges on if it will focus. Shoot. I got them on both sides. So now I can close it and all that without worrying about nothing, you know? So basically, I'm gonna get it readjusted after I put this front clip back on. But for right now, I'm about to take the bumper filler off and put the clip back on so I can get it ready to get primed up and readjusted. As you can see, it's still sanded down, but me and Tom finna goddamn start priming this thing up so it ain't looking as crazy. And after it gets primed down, I'm gonna tackle this top. But It's a work in progress, y'all. It's coming. It's coming. Trying to get it ready for at least I can ride around in the summer. But I appreciate all the support I've been getting in these last couple of videos, man. So just make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and I'm gonna be sure to bring y'all more. I think this is gonna pretty much solidify this video right here about the hood hinges, and I'm gonna be on to the next thing. Deuces.